there friends, welcome to channel Organized by Darci. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and organizing under a bathroom sink here in our home. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I'm excited to get this done today. I promised myself I'd get all little projects here done here in our home before the end of May. And so what did I do today? I went out and played a round of golf. Then I decided to come back home and do some cleaning and organizing. So I'd love to take you along with me. This is Under the Sink number 3. Let's get started. Come with me. Quick reminder, if you have not already done so, press that subscribe button below for weekly organizational videos. We'd love to have you here as part of the group. And again, this is part 3 in the series. I'm going to be doing next week a tour of our indoor plants, and I'd love for you to come back for that. So until then, let's run upstairs and get another bathroom clean and organized. Welcome to project number 3 of cleaning and organizing under a bathroom sink here in our home. We know the drill now. We take everything from under the sink and then we give the area a good wipe down. Then I've organized all the body wash and put in this basket here. Then I put this little caddy with some cleaning products. And lastly, some extra toilet paper. So here again, in less than 30 minutes, project number 3 under the bathroom sink is completed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're enjoying the series. We'll take a break next week from under the bathroom sinks. We'll do an indoor plant tour. I hope you'll come back for that. I am really looking forward to that, and I hope you are too. Until then, take care, God bless, and I'll see you next week.